In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Trello board. If you've ever needed a clean snapshot of your tasks for reporting, sharing with a client, or backing up your work, exporting your Trello board is a quick and reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the export options inside Trello and what to expect when you open them so you can choose the format that fits your workflow. Start by opening the Trello board you want to export. Make sure you're looking at the correct project, since the export reflects whatever is currently on that board, lists, cards, and their details. It's a good idea to do a fast scan to ensure everything is up to date before you proceed, especially due dates, labels, and card descriptions, so your export captures the latest information. Next, look to the right side of your board for the menu. This is the vertical panel Trello uses for board settings and actions. On that right sidebar, click the three dots. This icon opens additional options that aren't shown by default, and it's where Trello groups actions related to managing and sharing your board. If your workspace uses a custom theme or you've resized your window, the icon might be tucked toward the top or middle of the panel. Just look for the simple three-dot symbol. From the menu that appears, select Print, Export, and Share. This is the hub for getting your board's content out of Trello. When you open it, you'll see several export and sharing choices. These typically include options to print your board, create a shareable link, and export your data in formats provided by Trello. Depending on your plan and permissions, you may also see advanced export formats. Choose the option that best matches how you plan to use the data. For example, printing is helpful for quick meetings or posting a visual snapshot, while data exports are better for backups, analysis, or moving information into other tools. A couple of tips as you decide: exports usually capture text content such as list names, card titles, descriptions, checklists, and labels. Linked files or attachments may not be embedded in certain formats, so keep that in mind if your board relies heavily on documents or images. If you're preparing a report, consider filtering or cleaning up labels first so your export reads clearly. And if you collaborate with others, confirm you're following your team's data policies before sharing exported files. That's all there is to it. Open your Trello board, click the three dots on the right sidebar, then choose Print, Export, and Share to access the export options that suit your needs.